Weekly cybersecurity news and updates powered by Cybersecurity Park.
Attackers are using Amadey Bot to install LockBit. Amadey Bot is a malware that was first discovered in 2018 and it is capable of stealing information and installing ransomware. The attackers distributed the malware through two methods, one using a malicious Word document file and the other using an executable that takes the disguise of the Word file icon. Security analysts at DSCO SciTech have recently identified that the Outlook and Thunderbird clients have been targeted by a new information-stealing malware called StrelaStealer. Specifically, it steals account credentials. Researchers at Zimperium Z Labs recently identified a new Chrome browser botnet called Cloud9 that is intent on stealing keystroke and inject malicious code.
Weekly cybersecurity news and updates powered by Cybersecurity Park. TFM.
Let's talk.